Guys, today I am going to show you how you can create your YouTube channel art. So let's get started. If this is your first time here and want to learn more about computer internet applications, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you don't miss anything. So to create your YouTube channel art, then just go to this website called canva.com. Now down here you'll see various options. So just click on YouTube channel art. So these are the YouTube channel art templates. So you can select it from here. So to demonstrate this, I'll take this template to show you how you can make your own YouTube channel art with a few easy steps. So just click on this title and put your channel name here. Now down here you can put details about your channel like new video every Monday and Friday, or you can put what is your channel is all about. So I am going to type new video every Monday and Friday here. Guys, if you want to change this font, then make sure to click on the text box. Then click here to choose your font. I'll select this one. And same for the channel name as well. Now when you're done, just click on this download button. Then click on download. Now close this box and save the image on your PC. So this is the file which I have downloaded. So now go to your channel. Then click on this customize channel button. Guys, I haven't uploaded any channel art on this channel. That's why it's showing add channel art button. But if you already have channel art, then you can find this edit icon over here on the corner. So just click on it, then click on edit channel art. Now drag and drop your downloaded channel art over here, or click here to browse. So let's drag and drop your downloaded channel art over here. Guys, if you face any alignment issue, then click on this adjust crop button and adjust your image accordingly. In this case, I don't have any issues, so just click on select. Look, it's updated. So guys, this is how you can create your YouTube channel art with a few easy steps. So that's it guys for this video. If you like this video, then do hit the like button down below, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then do hit the subscribe button down below. That's it for this video, and I'll see you on my next one.